Sicily Lovers!
How are you, Rosella?
Welcome to Sicily. I'm fine. Welcome to Sicily and welcome to the capital of the Baroque, of the Sicilian Baroque. Guess where we are? I wrote maybe in the title of this live broadcast.
No.
But it's very easy. It's a very famous place in the world. A lot of weddings have celebrated here. And it's very famous also because it is one of the locations of the Inspector Montalbano, if you know this filming
TV series.
Yes, TV series. And I'm not alone. I'm with Gianca. Here is Gianca.
Hello everyone, ciao picciotte e picciotti, carusi e carusi, all around the world. We are so happy. We are following the San Filippos and the McCluskeys during their private tour of Sicily. This time we are in Noto, N-O-T-O, in the east sides of Sicily. And this is a Unesco site, first of all. Let's remind our friends that this is one of the must-see locations in Sicily. Yeah. It's a beautiful town. It belongs to the UNESCO World Heritage List. The capital, they say, the capital of the Baroque architecture. And this is a challenge. I think it's a challenge between Ragusa, Ibla, and Noto. Our favorite locations dedicated to the Baroque architecture, Baroque style. So we've been walking through the main road, and we passed the behind us. You can see the Royal Gate, Porta Reale. That's the entrance to the old town. I'm gonna zoom. This is a pedestrian road, first of all. So if you're looking for a quiet experience, a quiet walking tour, this is your place. And as you can see, Noto is surrounded by beautiful, beautiful buildings, beautiful palazzo and churches. That's, for example, the Benedictine monastery.
Yeah.
It's a Benedictine church over there. And now we want to show you the cathedral.
Yes.
And the city hall. If you've been following us for a while, you already been in this beautiful place with us virtually. Yeah. Perhaps many of you have been there in person. Last time we went here was
during the Infiorata festival, if I'm not wrong, or no, during the Spatafora tour in February.
We went here in February 2020, just before the lockdown. Oh, look at that, guys. This is a beautiful staircase. That's the typical tuk-tuk, the rickshaw, the Lapino in Sicilian. This is the best way to visit the narrow streets in Palermo, in Noto, in Sicily.
Our friends are over there. They are enjoying the guided tour of Noto because we would like to remind you that we only involve professional tourist guide with a great knowledge of Sicily and with a great English, not like Gianca and I. So when you visit Sicily, we will provide you the best we can.
So, Rosella, you were talking about the Infiorata. Say something.
So, Infiorata is a beautiful festival with the flowers that normally takes place at the end of May. It's a beautiful parade, not a parade, a carpet of flowers. And
wait.
it's everything handmade.
Oh, wow.
Was that yours?
John, we are live right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Say hello to our friends. Say hello. John is a vintage car enthusiast. Please show what you are displaying me.
We have a Fiat 500.
This is what is displaying me.
I think somebody has one of those.
You know, Fiat 500.
Please let me say hello to them also. Guys, just quickly, hello. Do you want to say hello? Because John
broke our live broadcast, but it's a pleasure for us. If you say hello to our friends in the world.
And look at...
And she's Elisa, our local guide.
Guys, look at me and Misty. We have the same bag. We are very proud because she's the first that have our Sicilian crochet coffee bag.
So
same.
beautiful.
Two beautiful Sicilian ladies.
And then is the luckiest man in the universe.
In hell right now.
They are super fine, right? We are super
Excellent. Doing great.
And so, we wish you a great tour of Noto. Thank you. We don't want to disturb you anymore.
It's your private tour of Noto. So now we go ahead on our own, okay?
But of
Don't
course,
worry. Don't
we will
worry
enjoy
about us.
together what? Granita
No.
with brioche.
Gianni, you're welcome.
Yes.
If you want to talk to me about vintage car, you know, I'm enthusiast too. This is not a break. This is a great pleasure.
You are more than welcome.
See you later. See you later. Ciao. Rosella.
So it's a really nice working tour here. We have this beautiful group. They are proud Sicily Lovers, and now they are not clients, they are friends.
More
they
than
are
friends.
Family.
Like a family.
Yeah.
Let's stop in front of the
The cathedral, yes.
Oh, this is also a Montalbano, Inspector Montalbano location.
Yeah.
Ciao.
In the meantime, Gianca, maybe look at that. You can see everywhere the Baroque style, so rich.
I think the most beautiful things are the balconies.
Yeah.
Balconies are inlaid, are carved in the stone, because I didn't say the main feature of Noto. So we are in the east side of Sicily. Let me say something really important. Noto, as the other villages, as the other towns in East Sicily, was completely destroyed by a terrible earthquake in 1693. And the best workers, the best architects were involved in the building of the new town. Actually, the ancient Noto was about 8 miles away, far from the current location, the current position. So this is completely new, a brand new town. And imagine in the 1600 what happened. Look at that. First, I want to show you the city hall, Palazzo Nicolaci. And in front of the city hall, you can see something spectacular. The beautiful cathedral in Noto. Unfortunately, they had another earthquake in 1990, and also the cathedral was damaged by this earthquake. So the dome, the ceiling of the cathedral collapsed. So they had to rebuilt again. Oh, the rings. The bells, sorry, the bells.
The bells.
2 o'clock? No.
No.
What is it? What is that? It's it's the wrong time. It's 3:30 p.m. in Sicily. So you have the facade of the cathedral is the original one, but the inside is completely new. In particular, the roof was made again because it collapsed during the earthquake in 1990. That's a beautiful staircase, Rosella. That's where a lot of people, million people every year used to take a picture.
Yeah.
And this is the beautiful city hall. You can see 3 flags. The European one, the Italian one, and the Sicilian one. There is no wind at all today. Rosella can't wait to film me, to display my face. I don't know why. Let me display our friends your beautiful crochet necklace.
Yeah.
And earrings.
Orange style.
I can see the zagara. You know zagara, guys? Zagara is the flower from the citrus. In this case, this is handmade by Daniela. This is an orange fruit.
Thank you, Daniela.
And also the necklace. Beautiful.
And what about you, Gianca?
So, guys,
you are wearing something special.
Look at.
Of course, let me switch on Gianca also.
La luce accesa.
With this beautiful hand-painted Sicilian T-shirt by the hands of Ionella with the Mount Etna, the Plicky Piers, and the pomegranates.
This is an handmade and hand-painted T-shirt, and you can find it in our online store, of course.
Would you like to remind the website?
SiciliLover.com, of course. Please don't touch the buttons because
No?
you mute my microphone. Be careful.
If you say this, I can mute you.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
do the same with you.
I would
So
like to mute you.
I would like to show the children, boys who are playing football in front of a Unesco site. Guys, this is Sicily. This is Sicily. They are playing football right in front of the cathedral. So, what's the other purpose of our visit in Noto? Remind our friends what we usually do in Noto.
It's the perfect place to enjoy a granita with brioche.
Granita, please don't get wrong. We are not talking about the ice creams. I think these children are very rude. They don't care about people, they don't care about tourists, they are playing football. La signora, this lady
She's
said,
complaining.
"Oh, in front of the church, in front of the cathedral." But this is Sicily, also Sicily. So we're talking about the Granita. If you come to Sicily, you have many choices. You can find Granita in many excellent bars, but I think in Noto they are the best. In particular, I don't want to make advertising, but if you come to Noto, can I say Bar Costanzo, right in the city center, right in this road.
Over there.
Over there, you see the trees. Over the trees. And that's one of the best, in my opinion. You can also find great bars who make Granita in the northern coastline. From Cefalù to Messina and from Messina to Ragusa, they are all good. Also in the Aeolian Islands, in Stromboli, there is a good, very good bar. But if you come here, don't forget to ask the pistachio and almond granita, the perfect combination that you have in Sicily. Fresh pistachio and fresh almonds, also toasted almonds if you like another flour. Che facciamo? Andiamo avanti?
Io andrei fino in via Nicolaci, facciamo vedere dove
Sì.
si tiene l'Infiorata e poi...
This monument is dedicated to the World War I, to people who died during the First World War. And as Rossella said, Noto is very, very popular in all the country, in Italy, because they plan a beautiful event in May. They name it Infiorata. A lot of artists, it's correct to say artists, come here, come to Noto to make wonderful patterns, wonderful... vieni qua, be careful. With millions of petals from the Sicilian flowers. That is the road that is entire covered by flower. And they display beautiful paintings entirely made by flowers. In 2020 they didn't have this event, and 2021 because of the COVID. I remember the last event in 2019 was dedicated to the Italo-Americani,
Yes.
so the people.
This one, I went here for this one. Vieni che ti conto storie di siciliani in America. So,
Stories of proud Sicilian who went abroad, in particular they emigrated to America. So they represented beautiful paintings with flowers dedicated to the most important American people. There was Frank Sinatra, there was Joe DiMaggio, there was Frank Zappa. I'm forgetting someone for sure, but imagine this road till the end of the road, till the church. There is a church in front of us, completely covered by paintings made with flowers petals.
and look also here, the balconies.
So this is another feature of Noto. I would like to switch. I would like to zoom, sorry Rossella. No, non lo mollare per ora.
Okay.
Picchi mi cade. I'm not sure you can see the base of the balcony. There are beautiful mythological figures, animals, funny. We name it in Italian mascheroni. It means masks. They are so popular here in Noto. I wanna go up there because there is another beautiful balcony.
Oh, look also this corner, this view is beautiful.
Yeah, we can see the backside of the cathedral. So as you can see, there are beautiful palaces. This is named Nicolaci Palace. It's Nicolaci was one of the wealthiest families in Sicily. It's a sort of noble palace.
Yeah.
You can visit if you want. And
But I think that the balconies.
balconies, in my
Are-
opinion, are the best in Sicily. I try to zoom. Look at that. They're so beautiful.
And now it's time to enjoy Granita.
It's time to reach again our friends and show them the way to Bar Costanzo to have a great and excellent Granita all together. I would like to see all the comments because there are a lot of people writing right now.
Ciao Debbie, ciao Jackie, Liz,
Liz
Rosalba,
Storm,
Katie,
ciao.
Donna, Cita e Matteo.
A lot of people.
We
love
love you
you.
guys.
We said this in the same time.
Tonight we will go to Ortigia. We don't know if we are able to make a live broadcast, but for sure tomorrow we will see from Ortigia. And you will enjoy.
What's Ortigia? What's Ortigia?
Oh,
For those who don't know.
Ortigia is the historic center of Syracuse and is an island.
It's also an island
Yeah.
connected to the mainland by a beautiful bridge.
Yeah.
And it's also the favorite Gianca's location, or Gianca's favorite location in Sicily, a part of Palermo. You know, I was born in Palermo. Palermo is my hometown, but I always say that if I had to move,
Yeah.
I will choose Ortigia.
Yeah, no
Ortigia,
doubt.
no doubt.
I agree with you.
It's in somehow it's more comfortable than Palermo because the majority of you know the historic center of Palermo. That's beautiful, but the surroundings. Palermo is a big town. Ortigia, in particular, the historic center of Syracuse, Ortigia, is very close. It's almost pedestrian, so you can relax yourself. There is a beautiful Ionian Sea that surrounds.
They will see tomorrow. Don't say
Yeah.
too many things about Ortigia now.
It's just my advertising to Ortigia, advertising for Ortigia. And now let's go back to the
Yeah.
main road. It's time to reach again our friends.
Yeah. We can say
Do they-
goodbye from here, Gianca.
Yeah.
If you want, from this with this beautiful view. So maybe from that point
It's so beautiful. Yeah, let's go to
here.
the staircase
From
in
here.
front of the city hall. Just to have a better view. We are so happy, guys, because as we always say, this is our opportunity to spend the beautiful days with beautiful people. It's the first tour of Sicily after the pandemic. You know, we plan private tours of Sicily, and finally, the first clients, the San Filippos and the McCluskeys, had the opportunity to come here and visit Sicily with us. So we started over our business, and it was our opportunity to see the best of Sicily, the most beautiful locations in Sicily again.
Yes, to travel again.
We've been spending a lot of time
Yeah.
in the province of Palermo. So now it's time to display you again the best of Sicily.
Yes, because
look at
also
that.
the east part of Sicily is beautiful.
Yeah. Again, this is the city hall. I said Palazzo Nicolaci. That's Palazzo Ducezio. I was wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I get confused with the other noble palace. That is Palazzo Ducezio. In the staircase, that was Palazzo Nicolaci.
They are over there, and so we are perfect in time, Gianca.
Just to have Granita with them.
Yeah, so come with me that point to say bye-bye. With this beautiful view behind us.
Oh, I love the statues. Beautiful. Here we are again. It's time to say bye-bye and wish you a beautiful day. We will see you tomorrow, as Rosella said, from Ortigia, the historic center of Syracuse. We are going to move from the southeast to the east of Sicily. We are now in Noto. We've been in the area of Ragusa. This morning we had a beautiful guided visit of Modica and also Sicily. Two beautiful UNESCO sites. In Modica we had a great experience.
Chocolate experience.
We taught our friends how we make the traditional chocolate here in Sicily, following the original recipe that the Spaniards exported to Sicily. You know, Spaniards colonized South America. They met the Aztecian, the Maya people, and they brought the recipe in Sicily because we had the Spanish domination for a long time. So if you come to Sicily, don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the traditional chocolate in Modica. Very, very tasty, very yummy, and very healthy.
Yeah.
No chemical stuff, no, how do you say?
No milk even.
No milk if
also?
you are intolerant, and in particular, no, how do you say, refined sugar.
Yeah.
That's the worst thing, you know, refined sugar is not healthy. They don't use refined sugar, they only use raw sugar.
Yeah.
And don't you have the chocolate with
Of
us?
course.
No, of course. We bought a bag full of chocolate.
We or you?
Me, of course.
Okay.
I am a chocolate addicted.
Yeah.
Many flowers. That's the feature. Not only chocolate. You have pistachio. You have coffee. You have almond, toasted almond. We have the lemon. We have the orange. We have the tangerine.
Yeah.
And
Everything.
also the cardamom. It's a spice from the Far East. But guys, it's useless that I try to explain this flavor.
Come to Sicily.
Come to Sicily
to
and
have this experience.
I will recommend you the name of the chocolate maker. I will how do you say?
This is La Bottega del Cioccolato.
I will guarantee that is the best. No matter what they say in the tourist guides, in the books, they will suggest different names. But if you know that man, you will realize why is the best.
And check our stories on Instagram and Facebook because we are going to upload some stories.
Yeah.
So guys, we love you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
I'm sorry for you, but now it's our time to enjoy the Granita.
Don't forget, please, to share this live broadcast with your friends
Would you
and
like
invite them.
Would you like to share a picture of the Granita? Because perhaps they don't know what Granita is.
I'm going to upload on the stories.
So follow us on Instagram too.
Also.
And we will give you the evidence of the masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. I will try to enjoy the pistachio and almonds with brioche. Oh, they are here. We are ready to enjoy Granita.
Before Via Nicolaci, of course.
Okay. So guys, it's all. I promise. I stop talking right now. See you tomorrow.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.